Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's install is going to be this gorgeous blonde unit from Ashimary. I'm going to be showing you exactly how I installed it. This hair is beautiful. Of course, if you prefer a more ash blonde tone, you can go ahead and tone the hair with a purple toner. However, I didn't have this at my disposal, hence me just leaving it quite a yellow blonde. It's very versatile. You can also dye it if you like. So if you wanted to go for color, this is definitely the wig to start off with. So this is the box it comes with, and these are the goodies you get in the box. I'm going to be showing you how I install it, and it literally only took me about 15 minutes. Very quick and easy. All I did was push back my lace and wipe off the makeup from my forehead. And this is just to make sure that nothing sticks onto the lace when I put it down, and it looks a lot more clean and a lot more seamless. So I start off by doing that. Once that's done, I pull that back, and here I'm just showing you how gorgeous the lace is. It is a really good lace. I didn't have any issues with it. It wasn't too thick and wasn't too thin. So I did go ahead and cut off the ear tabs, and then I'm gonna cut my lace in parts like I usually do, just to get ready for the install. I'm taking my bedhead spray, which is my adhesive of choice. If you guys have been watching me for a while, you guys know that I love this spray, and I won't stop using it until the bottle is finished. So it has lasted me a good, maybe even nearly 2 years now, and for some reason it hasn't finished, so I'm getting all the use I can out of it. I'm going to spray that starting with the left side of my head first, spray that all the way down, comb it through, and then I'm going to take my Dyson Airwrap to blast some air on it just so it dries down. And once that's done, I'm going to move to the next section of my head. Okay, once that's done, I'm going to take my eyebrow razor and I'm cutting off the excess lace. This does leave a white cast, but I am going to go ahead and fix that towards the end of the video. Yeah, cut off the excess lace, which is really easy. Like I said, the lace is really easy to work with. I didn't have any issues with it. The middle and the side, cut the extra lace off that as well. Okay, once that's done, like I said, you can see a huge white cast. So I'm going to take some makeup and I'm going to use that to disguise the white cast. This is just some foundation on my foundation brush, and I'm just patting that in just to make sure that the lace blends in with my skin and it doesn't look scary. It just looks a lot more seamless. Okay, and just to flatten out the front portion of my head, I'm just taking my, what's the thing called again? I can't remember what it's called. I'm taking my flat iron thingy, for some reason, a hot comb, that's it. I'm taking my hot comb and pressing that down. And once that's done, we are pretty much finished with the install. Like I said, guys, this is a very quick and easy install. The wig was very easy to work with, and I had no issues with the lace or the hair whatsoever. And of course, you can use it to get a colored unit if you'd like, but I just wanted to leave it blonde. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you soon in another one. Bye.